It is Saturday morning. I got Lydia for her first feeding, got her down for her first nap, and was able to hand her off to Joe, so she's still sleeping. It's 10:30. I was able to get a shower. I put back on my pajamas and just a cozy sweater just because it's nice and chilly this morning. I don't really have any plans. We'll see what we can do today. I am enjoying my cup of coffee. I might make a second cup today just because I'm feeling a little rough. The nighttime is gone better than the evening times because she's in like the witch phase right now, where she takes a lot to settle and to soothe herself to sleep. Okay, it's a couple hours and you're still crying. Oh, okay, yep, she's up.
So something I've been trying to implement as a healthy habit is to take a shot of this super greens in the morning. It really just like kickstarts and motivates me and sets me up, I guess, for the right mindset in the mornings. And here I'm just moving on to getting ready, doing my hair and makeup. It doesn't really take me that long, and I find that having this is actually her bathtub, and I just put a blanket over, but it props her up just enough, and I think it's a nice option besides the carrier wrap. That way, if like I need to go into a room real quick, she can come with me and I don't always have to put that on. And also it helps her to just see what I'm doing and just talk to her and love on her, because sometimes she's just, her little face is squished in my chest. If you have an Aldi's nearby, make sure you pick up some of this pumpkin bread. It is really good. This morning we decided to go for an early walk. I wasn't feeling the greatest mindset-wise this morning, but I just decided to push myself and go for a walk because I know that that always makes me feel at least 10% better, but honestly it does sometimes completely change my whole attitude. So we went for a walk. Just been very cautious and tried to be very mindful when it comes to each and every single day and evaluating how I feel, because I know that it can easily, you know, turn a corner if I don't keep up on my mental health. And I just try to do my best to recognize those little warning signs that I have within my mind, and what you water, what you feed grows. So I'm just really trying to maintain a positive attitude, because if we don't, then that negativity is gonna fester. And I think something I guess I struggle with is the physical upkeep, especially when I'm just drained or I'm tired, and the constancy of it all, that you're always being needed for something. And I also can be someone who can get easily overstimulated, and I just need to decompress. And when you can't do that, it can be even harder. So I just want to let any of you mamas out there know that I struggle with those same things as well, and you just have to find your coping mechanisms. The opportunities are not always going to be there, so you have to create those opportunities. And even if it's just to step out of the house for 20 minutes while dad takes over. And I realize that these are the hardest years because they are the youngest, and there's just so much going on. They're growing so quickly, and the daily demand that's needed for a mom is just it's a lot. And that's why I said in my last video that it is the hardest job, and I can say that because it's the most rewarding job.
Okay, we are back from Kroger's, and mainly I just wanted to go, one, to get out of the house. Stressed this morning. The kids were a little, yeah, I just wanted snacks. So I'm just gonna do like a little mini grocery haul and show you what I got. I already have this in the oven. Little individual pizzas. These looked really good. Regular pepperoni. I've not tried these before, so I just want something like in the morning where I can have something in my stomach before I have my coffee. So I'm trying to find something that's like easy to make, high protein, has the carbs and fats. So those looked really good. Love Marie Callender's cut pies. so good. I usually buy this on grocery days when I want like something quick and easy that night because I'm exhausted from grocery shopping all day. This is my like one of my go-tos, and then like lasagna or something. I spent like 5 minutes looking through all of the milk ingredients trying to find the ones that didn't have like fillers and just all this junk in it, and this one only has 3 ingredients. And then next, like I said, I picked up some snacks, my freeze-dried mangoes that I'm pretty much obsessed with. Then I got some chocolate-covered cherries and dark chocolate, and then chocolate-covered strawberries, real dark chocolate chip, some macaroons because I'm pretty much obsessed with macaroons. Flavor, amazing. While I'm waiting on the pizza to get done, I'm going to unload the dishwasher because I forgot to run it last night, so I had to run it this morning. And then I gotta fold some laundry. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a YouTube video doing a little bit of house chores and tidying up and things.
Trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. So good at trying, but we can't keep trying. We only end up on the wrong side of the mountain.
I'm going to attempt to make some more lactation protein balls. Nice to have on hand as like a quick, healthy, easy snack that's going to give you protein and satisfy you. Laid out here, I have hemp hearts, chia seeds, flax seeds, cinnamon, peanut butter, coconut oil, bee pollen to get in your popper. And then the brewer's yeast obviously is going to be essential. And then some quick cooking oats. And then this is the protein powder that I'm using right now. I've never tried it before. They sent it to me. It's called CHIMP. It's an organic vegan protein shake mix. It has probiotics in it. The ingredients seem to be really clean and good. It has cinnamon, turmeric, pumpkin, coconut, sweetens with organic monk fruit. Something I've really been trying to do is to get in my protein. Let's just go ahead and get started. Good morning, ladies. It is a new day and I figured I would continue the vlog. I have to run to town today to get a few things, some diapers, some more tea. I want to show you what I got from Temu today, and then I have to change the sheets on the bed. I do want to go for a walk today, but it's actually getting pretty chilly in the mornings now, so I'm kind of worried like with her. So I'm gonna have to like try and find ways to get in workout. Maybe I'll start at my Pilates again and do some acupuncture. Yeah, just trying to implement those little habits and slowly kick out those bad habits. I've been snacking a lot lately. I'm sure you've noticed in my vlogs. We're gonna try and keep it under control. Anyways, I'm gonna get the kids ready and then we're gonna head out, come back, and do a bit of homemaking things. So let's just go and get started.
Even though it can sometimes be stressful taking two little ones in town and at the grocery store, I find that sometimes it's just necessary because I do need to break up routine and get out of the house, and the kids enjoy it as well. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. So Yeah, but that, you know, it's still hard. And of course I walked right out of the house without my coffee, so I ended up picking up some coffee. I got some more kettle corn because it's my favorite. These are really good cinnamon buns. Oh, they're amazing. And then I picked up some more mother's milk tea and milk thistle, which is really good for the liver. And then I just had to pick up some Tide laundry detergent. I needed some toothpaste, and I was going to get these lights for Lydia while she's in her little pack and play, for her to have something to look at while Mama is running around the house trying to do a bit of stuff.
And arms made out of gold and strings. I'll give anything to say hello.
Okay, ladies, I have to change the sheet. Well, I'm washing the sheets and the comforter because there was a little accident last night. Just wanted to show you a couple of items that I got off Temu. My friend told me about it, and I know it's kind of like Wish, so it's kind of like it's not the best quality. It's not like you're gonna get like cotton for cheap, but I'm testing the waters because you gotta be frugal, you know? And I really wanted to get like some cozy sweaters just to throw over while I'm around the house and stuff. Yeah, this one being the first one. I'll link any of these below if you're interested. At first, you're kind of like, but once you wash it, it kind of gets better. And of course, you always want to look at the reviews, people who are actually show you, because, you know, they can be a little deceiving. So be sure to always look at the reviews. But so far, I like what I have. I did order a few more things off there that I'm waiting on. Sorry, Josiah's playing underneath the camera. This one, and then I have two more I'll show you, and then I have some breastfeeding bras that I got that I'll show you here in a minute. So let me go ahead and try on those just so you can see. So here is the second one. It says, be cool, be kind. If I would have known, like with this one, with the other one I just had on, I really liked the size of it, but this one I would have preferred like oversized. Yeah. So I probably would have, this is I think a large. I probably would have got like an extra large just because I like the oversized sweatshirt look. But yeah, it's cozy, it's comfortable.
Is what I need to bring me up to full speed.
Are the 3 breastfeeding bras. I already washed them and they held up really nicely. They seem like, you know, pretty decent quality and material, so I was really happy and satisfied with that for sure. For any expecting mamas or those who have newborns, I just want to share a few tips. One being a breastfeeding pillow, I feel, is an absolute must. It's just something necessary. But I put behind to kind of like prop up the pillows, and then I will put the big oversized pillow in front, small one in the back to rest your head. You want to try and keep your posture as best as possible. It's something that I found at Marshall's that has helped a lot, is when I am setting up at nighttime, that I can put this over my head. It just gives a lot of support and comfort, and you're gonna need that as much as possible. So I did end up switching these 2 over just because so I can be closer to the trash can and just changing her at nighttime. But yeah, just wanted to share. I'll link anything below that I can, that I have, as always.
You don't have to worry. You don't need to be afraid of hurting me.
So after I put Josiah down for his nap, I decided just to go in the room and relax a little bit and do some editing, snacking, and just zone out a bit, because you know, you do need those times. And I just, again, always encourage you mamas and homemakers to have a hobby, have something that you enjoy doing that can make you feel better. So thank you for watching as always, and if you have any video recommendations, I always love to hear them, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.